In this video, we will learn how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11. So first, we will install Java. Then we will install IntelliJ IDEA. Before that, if you are a beginner for my channel, please subscribe and like it. So let us start with the installation of the current version of Java. At first, go to the web browser on Google. Type Oracle Java and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Now click download Java on the below and then scroll down and we want for Windows. Click on Windows. Click on the x64 installer. I will click the following. The download is started. Let's wait. We have successfully downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. The setup is started. Click next. Now Java will get installed here under the program files. Click next. Java is installing the files and then close. Now let us go to the location. It was in C drive. Open the file browser and click on this PC and then OS in C drive and search for program files and here search for Java. Java is going. Click on Java and then JDK 25. Click on it and then bin. Click on it and in the above copy the path. Go to start. Type environment variables and click open. Now under the system properties, click on advanced and click on environment variables in the downside and now it will go to the path and double click on it and click new and paste the same path. We have pasted it. Now click OK and now click OK again and the last OK. So successfully installed Java. Let us verify. Go to cmd, type cmd, click open, type the command java space ---- version and press enter. So we successfully installed the current Java version on Windows 11. So guys, successfully after installation of Java, go to the web browser and search for IntelliJ IDEA and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it and here you can see the download button is visible. Click on it. So IntelliJ IDEA comes with two versions. That is the ultimate version which is only for 30-day trial and after that you need to pay. But we will go for community edition which is free and open source. Here is the free version. Click on download. Now the download will start. After we successfully download the exe file, right click and click on open to begin installation. Minimize that. The setup is started. Click next and click next. Here select create desktop shortcut. Rest you can leave the same and click next and click install. Now the IntelliJ IDEA will installing. It is also create a desktop shortcut. Guys, we finished.